Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process how you can easily install Amazon Prime Video app on Windows 11. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward. Go to bottom to the search, click on it and write Microsoft Store. Click enter. And when you're going to be here, I think I'm going to show it in my own language, but it's okay. Write in a search Amazon Prime. Click on it and then download it. And that's pretty much it, how we can download Amazon Prime Video for Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. And if this video helped you, write down below in the comments that it helped you, so when other people would come here they would see that okay, it's actually helpful. See ya.